So in this way, I'm going to show you how you can install MongoDB on your system. So you have to click on your favorite web browser. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to Google Chrome, click on it, open it up, and now in the search bar, you have to type MongoDB. Okay, once you typed it, press enter, and once you press enter, you will be heading over to this page, okay, mongodb.com, which is the official page of MongoDB. You have to go to the community server. Okay, you have to install MongoDB on your system, so you need to go to community server, or else you can go directly to this link, okay, which is given here. Now, in this one, you have to go to community server, select the package, and select 7.04.4 current version, and then if you're running a Windows machine, then click on this, or if you're running a Mac OS, then go and select the Mac OS. Okay, click on the package MSI, Microsoft Installer, if you're using a Windows machine, and click on download. Now you have to download this file, so let me go ahead and download that in my desktop. Save it. So it should be found in the desktop. Okay, it's still downloading. So you have to wait for some time. So it's still downloading. 571 MB. Now the download is successfully completed. Okay, so once the download is completed, you have to head over to this download file. Okay, so you have to click on it. Now it's preparing to install. Wait for some time. So this is the dialog box which is opened. MongoDB 7.0.4. So this is a version as of 2024. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to next. Click on accept terms and license agreement. Click on next, and click on this complete. Okay, all the program features will be installed. Complete. Run MongoDB as a service, and this is what is given here. Okay, this is the MongoDB data directory, log directory, and the service name. Okay, so click on next. Install MongoDB Compass. Yes, you need to install MongoDB Compass, which is kind of this GUI or the graphical user interface for MongoDB. So you have to install it. Click on next now, and click on install. Now we have to wait until this installation gets over because it's going to take some time, okay? Now we have to allow this app, so I have to click on S. Now it's installing MongoDB Compass, which is going to take a few minutes. So you have to wait until MongoDB Compass gets installed. Now you have to wait patiently because it's gonna take some time, okay? So have to wait a few more minutes until MongoDB Compass also gets installed. So now it's showing MongoDB Compass is being installed. It will launch once it is done. Now it will launch. This is MongoDB Compass. Alright. So what you have to do is, it's completed MongoDB 7.0.4. So click on finish, and you just have to close this because we're not going to, connect to MongoDB Compass right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this right now, and hopefully MongoDB Compass shortcut will be displayed here on the desktop. But then you have to go to the program files and check MongoDB is installed or not. Okay, yeah, there you go. MongoDB is installed in the program files, server 7.0 bin, and here you have the MongoDB executable file, which we have to give, by the way, the system environment variables. So what you have to do is copy this path. Okay, this is the path. Copy that. Go to search and search for system environment variables. And you have edit system environment variables. Click on it, and click on environment variables, the advanced options. Okay. Now you will have this option to add. Okay, so that's what you have to do. System variables for my account, as well as system variables. So what you have to do is click on system variables, and then click on new. Variable name would be MongoDB. Alright, and then value will be the path which you have copied. Along with that path, you need to specify the executable. Okay, the executable here is MongoD. Okay, .exe. So let me go ahead and give that MongoD.exe. Alternatively, you can also browse the file and locate. Okay, so let me go ahead and locate that file and then open it, and that will fix the path. And now we have to click on OK. So this path got added. MongoDB path got added. Okay, this is the path of the bin folder and the executable MongoD.exe. The same thing you have to do. So you have to copy the same path and do it for system user variables. Okay, so we have done it for system variables, and you have to do it for user variables. Click on New, MongoDB, and then value would be this value. Browse folder, this one, MongoD.exe. So automatically the path is fixed. Now we have to click on OK. So it's successfully added, okay, this path, which is good. Now click on OK and click on OK. So we know the folder is located in the program files, and the MongoDB folder is located here, 1.9 gigabytes. Let me go ahead and minimize this. And now what you have to do is head over to install another software, which is the MongoDB Shell, okay, which is Mongosh. So have to go ahead and put MongoSH, okay, download. Go to Google and type MongoSH download. So now you will have the MongoDB Shell download. Click on it. So this is the MongoDB Shell download, version 2.1.1, and Windows. I'm having a Windows system, so 64-bit. I'm choosing MSI. So this is the MongoDB Shell. Okay, you have to install this MongoDB Shell, download it. Click on Save so that it can save in the desktop. Now once you have saved that into desktop, you will have Mongosh. Okay, so you have to click on it and open it up. So we will have MongoDB Shell Setup Wizard. Okay, so this is the MongoDB Shell Wizard. Click on Next. Now you have to locate the folder where you have to install it. So let me go ahead and locate the folder as, C drive, program files, and locate the folder here. Okay, so it's not just for me. So I'm going to uncheck this and install MongoDB Shell 2, this one, MongoSH. So this is the location where I'm going to install this. Click on Next, Install. Now you have to click on S. So MongoDB Shell has been successfully installed. Now let me go ahead and locate. Okay, that's installed. Now MongoDB is installed. MongoSH is installed. So this is the MongoSH file. Okay, executable, and this is a path. So we have to add this as well to the environment variables. So we have to go to System, Environment, Variables, and then add this as well to the environment variables. So we have to first add to system variables, and we have to give the variable name as MongoSH, and then variable value will be the location of MongoSH. So we have to browse this file, and you can locate MongoSH here, and this executable. Okay, open it up, and this is the path. Okay, and you have to click on OK. Similarly, you have to add a new here, MongoSH, variable value, browser file, mongosh.exe, executable, open that, and the path will be fixed. Okay, click on OK. Click on, so since you have added both MongoSH here and here, you just have to click on OK once you've successfully added them. Okay, and click on OK. So now in program files, we have two folders, MongoDB and MongoSH. Okay, two folders. Now we have to, come out, close this. All right, so now we have to go ahead and log in to our MongoDB app cluster, okay? And then we'll have to connect. Now, in order to successfully understand and then whether it's installed properly, you have to go to search, type cmd, and run as administrator. So once you have opened up the command prompt, you have to current directory, change it to C, okay, C data, and now C is the current directory. Now we have to check whether MongoSH is really installed. So type mongo sh version. Now it should show the version. That means it has been successfully installed and the system is able to read it. Now you can type in mongo sh, okay. So it's connected to the MongoSH prompt. Now this is a shell where it's connected using MongoDB version and MongoSH version. Now this is how we successfully have installed both MongoDB as well as Mongo Shell, okay, MongoDB Shell or MongoSH into our system, and we are able to run this in the command prompt, okay. Now you can also connect the MongoDB Atlas to your shell. Now let me go ahead and show you how you can connect to the MongoDB Compass. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to copy this path of the connection. Okay, once you copied it, just right click on it or Control C. Once you copied it, you can go to Compass, okay? Compass. So that's MongoDB Compass. So let me go ahead and type in MongoDB Compass. Click on it. Open it up. Now you can also open the same connection with the help of Mongo. So new connection. The URI is going to be this one, okay? This is going to be the URI for the connection. Alright, so click on connect. The advanced option will be MongoDB. Now we'll have to go to connect and click on connect. So this has been successfully connected, and these are the databases: admin, config, and local. You're connected to this particular MongoDB server. Okay, so you can also disconnect it. Click on disconnect, and you will be back to the starting point. You can also close it. So this is how we have successfully installed MongoDB on our system. Hopefully you have solved all of these problems. If you have any questions or doubts, you can leave it in the comment section so that I'll be able to help you out. The system should be able to recognize the MongoDB as well as MongoSH, since you have included them in the environment variables. Now, this is how we do the MongoDB installation. Now, in this MongoDB installation, you can have show DBS. It will show all the databases, admin, config, and local, and you can come out, exit. Okay, exit would exit out of the MongoDB server. Okay, so this is a login as well as connected to this particular address. Okay, so this is a version, and this is how you have successfully installed MongoDB on our system.